Alright, so in this problem, I have 4 to the power of x is equal to 12. So, to solve this, I'm going to first take the log on both sides. So I have log 4 to the power of x is equal to log 12. And if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. So this is going to equal b times log a. So in this case, I have log 4 to the power of x, and I can move x to the front. So now I have x times log 4 is equal to log 12. Now, if I divide both sides by log 4, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 12 over log 4. Now, I can rewrite log 12 as log of 4 times 3. So I have log of 4 times 3 over log of 4. And if I have something in the form log of a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So log 4 times 3, that's going to equal log 4 plus log 3. And I have this over log 4. So now this is the same thing as log 4 over log 4 plus log 3 over log 4. Now log 4 and log 4, these two cancel out, so now I get x is equal to 1 plus log 3 over log 4. And log 4, that's the same thing as 2 squared, so I get 1 plus log 3 over log of 2 squared, and remember I can move this 2 to the front. So now I have log 3 over 2 log 2. And this is the same thing as 1 plus 0.7925, which is equal to 1.7925. Alright, so in this problem, I have 3 to the power of x squared over 9 to the power of x is equal to 27. So I'm first going to start by rewriting 9 as 3 squared and 27 as 3 cubed. So now I have 3 to the power of x squared over 3 squared to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x, that's going to be equal to 3 to the power of 2 times x, which is 3 to the power of 2x. This is equal to 3 to the power of 3. And now I can rewrite this as 3 to the power of x squared times 3 to the power of negative 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. And a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this is going to equal 3 to the power of x squared minus 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m equals a to the power of n, this means that m is equal to n. So in this case, x squared minus 2x is equal to 3. So now to solve this, I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. So then these two cancel out. So now I have x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And now to solve this, I'm going to use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, a is 1, b is negative 2, and c is negative 3. So I have x is equal to negative of negative 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 3. And I have this over 2a, so 2 times 1. So now this is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 12 over 2 which is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 16 over 2, which is equal to 2 plus or minus 4 over 2. So now I have 2 plus 4 over 2 and 2 minus 4 over 2. So I'll get x is equal to 3 or negative 1. Alright, so in this problem, I have 6 to the power of x is equal to 60. So I'm going to first start by taking the log on both sides. So I have log 6 to the power of x is equal to log 60. Now, if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. So this is going to equal b times log a. So in this case, I have log 6 to the power of x, and I can move x to the front. So now I have x times log 6 is equal to log 60. Now, I'm going to divide both sides by log 6. So then these two cancel out, and now I get x is equal to log 60 over log 6. Now log 60 I can rewrite as log of 6 times 10. So I have this over log 6. And if I have something in the form log of a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So log 6 times 10 is going to equal log 6 plus log 10. And I have this over log 6. So now, this is the same thing as log 6 over log 6 plus log 10 over log 6. And log 6 and log 6, these two cancel out. So now I have x is equal to 1 plus log 10, that's the same thing as 1. So 1 plus 1 over log 6. And now log 6, I'm going to rewrite this as log of 2 times 3. So this is going to equal 1 plus 1 over log 2 plus log 3. So now log 2, that's equal to 0.301 plus log 3, that's equal to 0.4771. So if I add these two together, I get x is equal to 1 plus 1 over 0.7781. And now 1 divided by 0.7781, that's equal to 1.2852. So now 1 plus 1.2852 is 2.2852.